Hello everyone, this is Sundar Rajan from Gain Momentum Physics Classroom channel. So இப்போ நம்ம NTSC examinationsக்கான contents discuss பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். NTSE National Talent Search Examination Stage 1 அதனுடைய preparation contents இப்போ post பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் as the exam has been called for. Okay, so this will be helpful for the students of grade 8, 9 and 10 particularly. Okay, and today we shall discuss some of the questions from social science. Okay, you know that the NTSC stage 1 examination la rendu part irukum. First part, that is first part or the first paper is that mental ability test. Okay, mental ability test contains 100 questions, nearly 50% of the weightage of the question paper. Second part or the paper 2 is scholastic aptitude test. Scholastic aptitude test that contains 100 questions. Adala 40 questions from social science. Okay, 40 questions from social science, 40 questions from science, 20 questions from mathematics. Okay, and there is no prescribed syllabus. However, 9th standard and 10th standard and the syllabus based panna questions irukum. Okay, based on this we have selected few questions, namely 10 questions for discussion today, so that will be helpful for your forthcoming examinations. Okay, let us pass on to the question. Choose the correct answer. First question: population density is the number of persons that live in dash of area. Okay, population density is the number of persons that live in dash of area அப்படினா இது ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் கிலோமீட்டர். Okay, so 1 ஸ்கொயர் கிலோமீட்டர்ல வசிக்கக்கூடிய மக்கள் அவங்கள வச்சு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படினா மக்கள் அடர்த்தி, population density ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Therefore the answer choice is B. Okay, 1 square kilometer. Okay, fine. Find out the odd one from the following: thermometer, barometer, rain gauge and wind vane. இந்த நாலுல எது டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு அப்படினா so இதோட யூசஸ் பாருங்க. thermometer, so it can measure temperature. Barometer, it can measure the pressure. Rain gauge, it can measure the amount of rainfall. So wind vane அப்படிங்கிறது மட்டும் that will give you the direction of wind. Okay, so that will give you the direction of wind. So எந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல இருந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த wind மூவ் ஆகுது அப்படிங்கிறத கொடுக்கக்கூடியது wind vane. Therefore answer choice is D. Okay, third question: which one of the following is not the type of earthquake waves? Not the type of earthquake waves அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருந்தாலே ரொம்ப கவனமா இருக்கணும். இந்த நாலுல ஏதோ ஒன்று தான் இதோட சம்பந்தப்படலை, எர்த்குவேக்கோட சம்பந்தப்படாத ஒரு டேர்ம் எது அப்படின்னா you have known P waves, S waves and L waves. Okay, so P waves, S waves, L waves எல்லாமே எர்த்குவேக்கோட சம்பந்தப்பட்ட waves. Okay, therefore Q waves, B is the answer. Okay, B is the answer. P waves அப்படிங்கிறது longitudinal waves ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, so related to earthquake, and S waves is the transverse waves and L waves are the surface waves related to earthquake, whereas Q waves are not related to earthquake. Therefore the answer choice is B. Fourth question, so it's a direct question: the layer of atmosphere that contains a layer of ozone. Okay, so ozone இருக்கக்கூடிய atmosphere உடைய layer எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So this is stratosphere. Okay, it's a direct question. Stratosphere is the layer of the atmosphere that contains ozone. Okay, fine. Next one: education is consumption good, investment good, none or both. Okay, so education is so you can consider education as a consumption as well as investment. Okay, so ரெண்டுமே தான். So educationங்கிறது is ஒரு consumption. Okay, as well as investment. Therefore the answer is both. Okay, typical question. Next one, sixth one: the newspaper New India was started by. Newspaper New India was started by. The answer choices are Gandhiji, Bharatiyar, Annie Besant, Gokhale. So Annie Besant is the right answer. Okay, so newspaper New India was started by Annie Besant. Okay, seventh one. The Indian Constitution came into force on. Indian Constitution came into force on. It's also a direct question. நமக்கு தெரியும். It is 26th January 1950. Okay, 26th January 1950. Therefore, the answer choice is D. Okay, the Indian Constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. Next question. The Attorney General of India. Okay, the Attorney General of India is appointed by the, what are the choices? Governor of a state, President, Chief Justice of India, and Vice President. Okay, the Attorney General of India is appointed by the President. Okay, B is the answer. Ninth question. The name of the journal in which Maraimalai Adigal worked was. The name of the journal in which Maraimalai Adigal worked was. The choices are Arya, Sudesamitran, Kalki, Siddhanta Deepika. Siddhanta Deepika is the right answer here. It was the journal in which Maraimalai Adigal was working. Fine. Last question. The carbon content in lignite. Okay, it is a type of coal. So carbon content in lignite is 80 to 90, 60 to 80 percentage, 40 to 60 percentage, less than 40 percentage. So C is the answer. 40 to 60 percentage is the carbon content in lignite. Okay, so we shall continue our discussion in the next video. We will have few more questions in the next discussion. And thank you for watching.